Are you looking for a chiropractic adjustment in Denver? Adjustments are amazing. The Wellness Way of South Denver, that's us. We specialize in chiropractic adjustments, but we're a holistic chiropractic office where we offer exercises and ergonomics. We also do functional lab testing and supplements. The Wellness Way, that's our philosophy, is to identify triggers that are causing these problems. If you're looking for chiropractic adjustments, that is one of the tools that at our disposal to help you start feeling better and feeling more like yourself. Reach out to us today to find out if this is a good fit for you.